Hello everybody, welcome to a new day and a new video for you. And today's video is going to be an MCQ on the Tempest for the ISC students because we have not solved any MCQ from the Tempest. So it is Act 3 as we know, so we will practice the Tempest and the MCQ questions from there. And one more thing before we move to the video, which is a huge amount of thanks for all my viewers as I receive so much love in the comment box. I feel so very happy that I can help so many of you. And if it is really helping you, do share it with your friends and help them also with the MCQ questions, which is a new pattern. Thank you so much for this love from you. Let's begin the video. See, in the CBSE schools also and in the ICC school and ISC school nowadays, both of them are setting MCQ questions. So there is a pattern of MCQ questions, and I have seen question patterns from different schools this time also. So accordingly, I have prepared the question paper. Let's see how much you benefit from it, and do write to me if you do benefit from it and if you want more, as you are doing in the comment section. So let's start. Choose the correct option given below each question. According to Caliban, how did Prospero take away the island from him? So how did he take it away? By muscle power, by wisdom, by sorcery, with the help of Miranda. Directly you know the answer to this one. I hope you can immediately answer even before I tell you the answer. It is by sorcery. Next, coming to number B. What is Ferdinand doing at the beginning of this act? What is he actually doing? Is he plotting to escape? No, obviously not. He never told this. Cursing Prospero? He never cursed Prospero. Crying? Carrying wood? He never cried. So it will be carrying wood, option 4. Next, coming to question number C. Which one is the way not suggested by Caliban in killing Prospero? In particular, not, you'll have to remember, not. Which one is not the way that Caliban wanted to kill Prospero? Paunch Prospero with a stake. This is obviously the point. Cut his windpipe was also another way. Batter his skull was also told by him. So it should be none of the above. Next, coming to number D. Why did Miranda think that Ferdinand can rest? Why did she suddenly feel that okay, I should go and tell Ferdinand that you can rest? Ariel was not watching over them. This is not the point. Ariel is watching over them cannot be the right option. Prospero was at study. Let's see what are the other options also. Miranda had taken permission from Prospero. No, she has never taken permission. She just came to find out what is happening or whether Ferdinand is very sad or something. Caliban was ready to do the work. Caliban is never ready to do the work, so it should be option 2. Next, Prospero's line, thou art infected, means what? See how in such detail we have to read it. Otherwise, we'll not be able to understand from where this question has been said. Thou art infected means what? Miranda is sick. Miranda is not sick. Never in the drama do we find that she is sick. Ferdinand is covered in mud. No, not at all. Ferdinand is tired. He did not express his tiredness. Miranda is in love. Infected means Miranda is in love. So this is option 4. Who said these words? Thou liest. So thou liest was, the two words were used. By whom? Caliban? Trinculo? So I missed the spelling of Trinculo should be Trinculo. So this word is not triculo, but it is Trinculo. I made this mistake, spelling error. Thou liest. Who said these words, thou liest? Is it Stefano or Ariel? Yes, this is Ariel. We cannot be wrong. Ariel, very softly in the ears, he said, thou liest. Okay, so it is Ariel. Coming to question number G. What is referred to as jewel in dower by Miranda? So jewel in dower by Miranda, is it her name, her modesty, her necklace, her father? See, I have also put the meaning of the word modesty, but it will not be there in the options. Just to help you out, because we are just practicing, I have put the word over here. What is the meaning? Means not too proud of, not himself, but herself. Being not too proud of oneself. So jewel in dower obviously means her modesty. She is talking about her modesty. Next, coming to, very sorry, I just highlighted everything over here. So what would be the correct option? The correct option is her modesty. Coming to next question. What was the first thing that the murderers needed to perform? Number 1, paunch Prospero with a stake, cut his windpipe. See, again the previous options are only here. Paunch Prospero with a stake. What is the first thing that the murderers, that means Stefano, Trinculo and Caliban, what they should do first? Is it paunch Prospero with a stake? Is it cut his windpipe? Is it batter his skull? or burn his books? Obviously books, because books are very important. With the books, Prospero can do anything and everything. So first what needs to be done is, first we require to burn his books. If you have followed up to this, I hope that my videos are helping you all, and it is also the way you are watching my videos. I recently found that there is a 93% rise of my YouTube videos, as it is being watched so far by you all. And it is my pleasure that I am able to help you out with the MCQ questions, as this is a new pattern for all of you. And thank you so much. I am very glad the way you're supporting me. I hope this helps you a lot. And if it is really helping you, do not forget please to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Coming to the next question. What title does Caliban give to Stephano in Act 3, Scene 2? So, is it King of Naples? Is it Lord of the Tempest? Is it Lord of the Island or King of the Island? Very particularly Lord of the Island. Okay, this is the title that Caliban gives to Stephano. Next, coming to number J. What does Ariel do to lead the men astray? That means to to move them here and there. What did Ariel do? Did he brings Prospero to them? No, he did not bring Prospero to them. He becomes visible? No, not at all. He beats them? Not at all. He plays music. Fourth option is correct. Coming to number K. Pai Nini means, this word is there. I hope you remember Pai Nini. So what does this actually mean? Is it magical party? Is it enchanted island? Or magical island? No. Is it a fish monster? No. Who is the fish monster? This question can also come. Fish monster is identified, can be identified over here as Caliban. So actually Pai Nini means a fool. Alright. Coming to the next one. A living drollery means what? A party scene, a magical show, a dining scene, or a puppet show. Is it a? It is obviously a puppet show. Coming to M. I hope today I brought many questions for you. I hope you'll be able to get an idea of how the MCQ questions come. We will move. There are many more questions. I really saw that how many questions can come from these parts. Small questions which you won't even think of reading. If it was a long question, you could study and you could just write them down, remembering points. You know that these are the questions that can come. Because it is MCQ, it can come from anywhere and everywhere. So we can prepare and prepare and prepare. Alright. Prospero's behavior towards Dash was gentler than others. Towards whom was he a little gentle? Is it Antonio? No, Antonio has harmed him so much. Is it Sebastian? Not at all. Gonzalo? Let's see. Alonso? No. So he was very gentle towards Gonzalo, because once upon a time this is the man who had helped him. Next question. How does Caliban wish to torment Trinculo or bother Trinculo? How does Caliban wish to do that? By not showing him the way to Prospero's cell? No. By not showing him where the fresh water was? Can be. By beating him? He never had the power to beat him. By ridiculing him. So the second option is the best option. By not showing him where the fresh water was. So a place where everywhere you see salt water, there is the ocean around, you require fresh water. So if I know the island well and if I don't show you the way to that fresh water pool, you will not be able to drink anything. Water is a necessity, isn't it? So this one. Next question. For how long did Miranda and Ferdinand bid goodbye to each other? For how long did they go away? For how long? Is it 1 hour? Is it half an hour? Is it 2 hours? Or is it 4 hours? So it will be obviously half an hour. So in particular we have to remember for how long. It is half an hour. Coming to question number P. According to Caliban, Prospero has brave utensils in his house. What are brave utensils? You must have heard this word also, brave utensils. What is this? Is it fine equipment? Is it books, beautiful daughter, or money? It is fine equipment. Alright. Next, the last one for today, finally. What instrument did Ariel play to drag the group of the drunken men to, who are the drunken men? Stephano, Trinculo and Caliban. So, what is the instrument being played by Ariel? Is it flute? No. Is it tabor? It can be. Cello? No. None of the above. So, it is option number 2. It is tabor. It is a drum that was being played. Alright. So, here we come to an end with today's MCQ questions from the Tempest. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have scored well over here. Mark how much you have scored, so that the more papers you solve, the model test papers. Every week I promise to bring one paper at least for you all. So you keep practicing and checking how much you score in each paper. And whichever you think that you did not choose the correct option, write them down in your copy. Make a copy where you can write them down so that you can keep preparing. Whatever you know, you don't need to prepare. even when you go to the exam hall or you sit with your the MCQ Google form, you will be able to write them. Whichever you cannot, that you write down, or if you have incorrectly identified the answer, then you write them down, so that you can memorize once before the exam. So that's all. I hope you have loved it. I hope you'll be subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye everybody. Hope to meet you in the next session.